Let's creep through this and hunt the turd wolf. This is what we need to hunt the turd wolf.
Oh my God, you scared him off. I am out demoing the OG Livewire, the original one. Livewire is no longer part of Harley Davidson. I'm actually following Lone Wolfer and Scooter Wolf. And we're all demoing these because this is the future. Of course, I had to put my visor down because this is a sport bike. This is not something with a full fairing.
No, it is not.
Did the Zero SRS, which is looks like a sport bike the way it stands, but it sets you up a little bit more. And it was just as torquey as this. But of course, this is Livewire, so a lot of the Harley dealerships will support it. You just have to look at the blue icon on your Harley Davidson app. So what mode are you in, Lone Wolfer?
I'm actually already, no, I'm in rain mode. Actually, I haven't even gone up yet.
Oh, really?
Let's go up to Eco.
Yeah? Yeah, I think I'm in rain mode. No, road mode. No. What is it, highway?
I'm in Eco mode now.
Woo! Oh! That's sport mode. That was on sport mode. Is pretty intense. Isn't it?
I don't know what these fellas are doing.
They're talking about how cute they are.
Oh, they are kind of cute.
I just tried to shift. I just tried to shift.
Oh, that is insane.
But I noticed when Scooter Wolf goosed it, you heard that.
Yeah, like a wind up.
Yeah. I'm just overtaking you. Oh, okay, go ahead. Alright. Sorry about that. That's alright. I'm holding you back. This feels weird riding without my jacket.
Oh, yeah.
Really? Yeah. Yeah, I saw your nipples. Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna...
All four. That one finally popped out. But no, I can see these being a really great bike for a suburban, urban area. Yeah. You know, like where I live 45 minutes outside of downtown Nashville. And it's country roads.
Country roads, take me home.
Now quick, guys.
I'm at 60%, 76 mile range.
60% or 50?
60.
And that's how many miles left?
76.
76, okay. So this would definitely work for me going to work and back.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, for me, the pucker factor is really good when you get into the sport mode.
Oh, yeah.
The seat tucks in there nice and tight. Oh, we got to slow down. We got some big bikes fit.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Now, for me, the grips could be a little thicker in diameter, but a little leather wrap would work. And I wonder how hard it would be to swap the bars, bring it to a more upright position.
That feels...
I'm still in rain mode and it still hauls tail.
I'm in sport mode now, and that's a whole lot of torque. I'm going wide. I'm coming in hot. I'm tucking in.
Hey, I hear somebody.
Oh, it's me.
Okay.
GoPro, start recording.